Hello friends, members and subscribers, Hot Wheels collectors. Welcome to our channel. We are Hot Wheels collectors for over 7 years. Thousands and thousands Hot Wheels. Huge collection. Today we are presenting one old Hot Wheels 5-pack. It's Hot Wheels Exotics from 2017 with one very old car. It's the first one, this green Jaguar. It's 30 years old, made Hot Wheels. It's made 1992. This is the first car that we are talking about. This is Jaguar from 1992. Hot Wheels as new. Green color, silver rims. Toys and Games channel. We are collecting Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Majorette. Join us. Do you have this Hot Wheels? Please make comments down below. Hot Wheels races, Hot Wheels presentation. This is Hot Wheels Exotics from 5-pack. Let's begin with second one. It's a McLaren F1 GTR. A white color, red rims. If you want to see this car on races, please make comments down below. LPG Toys Games channel. Races, Hot Wheels races, Hot Wheels presentations. Join us. Let's see this Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. I'm collecting Hot Wheels Lamborghinis. We have over 200 Lambos. A very nice color. It looks like gold painting, black rims. Renault Sport RS. There are different versions of this car. One is black, one is green, and this version in this orange color looks nice. Black rims, very nice details. Do you collect Hot Wheels? Do you collect Majorette, Matchbox? Please like, share and subscribe, and make comments which Hot Wheels shall we present next. See you in next video. Bye.